Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss numerical based on chapter work and time. Let's see the numericals that comes in your examination. Simple. Now a kind of similar one. There is ration for 250 soldiers for 30 days. After 10 days 50 more soldiers joined the camp. Find out how many days ration will be last for the soldiers. Okay. So there was 250 soldiers. After 250 soldiers, suppose one soldier ate one chapati or one roti at a time. Okay. And for 30 days, there was a ration. After 10 days, 50 more soldiers came. Means till 10 day, they had already ate the food. So how many food is remaining now? Next 20 days, food is remaining. And now how many soldiers come? 50 more soldiers. So earlier it was 250, now 300 soldier came. And for how many days the ration will work? Okay. This was the question. So this can be cut. This can be also cut. So this comes out to be 550. If you divide by 50, this comes out to be 6. So 5 into 20, it comes out to be 100. Divide by 6. 100 divided by 6, that comes out to be, it comes out to be 10. 10 and it comes out to be 16.67 days. Means actually the remaining ration was for 20 days, but because 4 more soldiers come, because 50 more soldiers come, the ration will last only for 16 1 by 3 days. Okay, so in the option it will be given 16 1 by 2 by 3 days. Okay? This is the answer. Let's begin with this question. This question, you can see there is a statement that 5 men or 8 women can do a piece of work in 12 days. Okay. In how many days will 2 men and 4 women can complete the same work? So what that mean? I told you in my previous examples that whenever you see or, that means equal to, and whenever you see and, that is with that person, means 2 men plus 4 women, and 5 men or 8 women. What that mean? That means 5 men can do the same work in 12 days. That is equivalent to 8 women that are going to do the same work in 12 days. Means whatever the work that 5 men can do in 12 days, or is equivalent to equal. Okay. So the same work 8 women can do in 12 days. Okay. This is the simple meaning of this thing. So you have this data that 5 men or 8 women can do a piece of work in 12 days. So from this you can find out the ratio of men and women work. Yes, you can find out. You can keep alphabets in one place and numerical in one place. So I can keep like m into 12, okay, and w into 12 upon w into 12 equal to 8 upon 5. So this 12 can get cancelled. Here above also you can cancel this. Okay. So this can be 5 men equal to 8 women. So you can keep alphabets in one side and numerical number in one side. That is male by female or woman is 8 by 5. What that simply mean? That means if a man can make a 8 chair in a day, woman can make 5 chair in that day. Okay. So you know that 5 men or 8 women can do a piece of work in 12 days. So that means 5 men can do a piece of work in 12 days. So you know that one man can make 8 chairs, which we find out from here. And a woman can make 5 chairs in a day, which we find out from here. So we can put this value and find out the number of chairs that were made in 12 days. So 5 men, one man can make 8 chairs. So 5 into 8 into 12, because 5 men, one man can make 8 chair. So 5 into 8 into 12, that is 12 days he took. So after doing this comes out to be 40. 5 into 8, that is 40. 40 into 12. Okay. So 40 into 12 is 480. So in
those 12 days how many chairs are made? 140 chairs were made. Okay. Now the question is, in how many days the same work will be completed by 2 men and 4 women? What that means? In how many days 2 men and means plus 4 women can complete the same work? Means how many days? So you don't know the days and they can complete the same work. What is the work? The total work is 480 chairs. So you need to just equate it. You know how many chairs a man can make, you know how many chairs a woman can make. You can simply put that value. You can find the number of days they require to make 480 chairs. So 2, a man can make 8 chairs in a day. So 2 into 8 plus 4, a woman can make 5 chairs in a day. So 4 into 5 into days. Days you don't know. So just keep it like this, equal to 480. So after solving this, this comes out to be 16 plus 20 into days equal to 480, right? So 16 plus 20, that is equivalent to your 36, and you can simply divide 480 by 36, so you can get the answer. 36 into days that you don't know equal to 480. So this 36 will go in denominator. So the number of days that is required to complete this work comes out to be 13.33. So 13.33 means what? 13 1 by 3, because 1 by 3 value is 0.33, right? You can solve it. So by doing this, you can find out the answer, that is 13 1 by 3 is the answer of this question. Okay friends, let's see another question. This question is, 6 men or 12 women can do a piece of work in 20 days. In how many days can 8 men and 16 women do twice as big of this work? So you know that 6 men, or what I told you in my previous videos also, or is equivalent to equal, right? So 6 men, whatever the work they do in 20 days, the same work can be done by 12 women in 20 days. So 6 men, whatever work that is they do in 20 days is equivalent or is equal to equal sign. Okay, so that is 12 women can do in 20 days. So this you can solve. From this you can find out the ratio of men and women work. You can take out alphabets in one side and numbers in one side. So 20 you can cancel. 6 men equal to 12 women. So alphabets in one side, men upon women equal to 12 by 6. So you can cut this, right? Because they comes in 6 table. So this comes out to be 2:1. That is, man can make 2 chairs in a day and a woman can make 1 chair in a day. So you can find out the number of chairs that were made in those 20 days. Yes, you can find out. You can simply put the value of man or woman, the number of chairs they made during that time in this equation. So 6 men work for 20 days. So you know that 1 man can make 2 chairs in a day. So for 20 days, how many chairs he made? So 6 into 2 into 20. So that is equivalent to 12. 12 into 20, that is equivalent to 240. Okay. So 240 chairs were made by 6 men in those 20 days. You can also put the value of 12 women work that they done in 20 days. That will be equal. Okay. Both the value will come equal because I told you or is equal to equal, right? So 12 women, 1 woman can make 1 chair in a day, right? Here you can see 12 women into 20. So 1 woman can make 1 chair in a day into 20. So this is also comes out to be 240. So that I told you that both will come similar or equal because or is equivalent to the same work that is done by this much people is equal to the same work done by this. Okay, so 6 men did this work in 20 days. So 6 men did this work in 20 days and the same work was done by 12 women in 20 days. So from this you can find out the ratio of men and women work, means the number of chairs men can make and women can make. You find out that 2 chairs are made by men in a day and 1 chairs can be made by women in a day. So you simply put the value, and after putting the value, you come to know that 240 chairs were made in those 20 days. Okay. So now they ask you, in how many days 8 men and 16 women do twice as big of this work. So twice of this work means how much? 240 double work. So that is 240 into 2, that is 480. So they are asking in how many days this 8 men and 16 women can make this 480 chairs. So you can simply put this value, 8 men. I told you whenever there is and you have to add this. Okay. So 8 men plus 16 women can do the same work in how many days? So into days, the work is 480 chairs, right? So you equate it with 480. So 8 men, 1 man can make 2 chairs in a day. 16 and 1 woman can make 1 chair in a day, right? So into days, equivalent to the work or the number of chairs they need to make, that is 480. So after solving this comes out to be 16 plus 16 into number of days, equivalent to 480. So after solving this comes out to be 32 into days, number of days, which you don't know, which you need to calculate, equal to 480. So this comes into denominator. So you come to know the number of days. It comes out to be 480 divided by 32. So this comes out to be 15 days. Okay. So 15 days is the answer. So your option number second is correct here. So this how you need to solve this type of question.
3 men can complete a piece of work in 6 days. 2 days after they started the work, 3 more men joined the work. Then, in how many days it will take to complete the work? Now, it is written 3 men can complete a piece of work in 6 days, right? So, let's assume that 1 man can make 10 chairs. So, 3 men can make 30 chairs. For how many days they worked? 6 days. So, actually, they made 180 pages, or they completed 180 pages, or they, whatever you want to assume, they made 180 chapatis or anything. After 2 days, 2 days after they started the work, 3 more men joined them. Means after 2 days, means till 2 days they worked together. Means 3 men worked for 2 days. 1 man can write 10 pages. So 3 men to 10 into 2, that is that is 60 pages. 60 pages they completed in those 2 days. Those 2 days they completed 60 pages. Now how much is remaining? 120 pages are remaining, right? And 3 more men joined. 3 more men means 3 plus 3, that is equivalent to 6 men. Now 6 men are there. Okay, 6 men are there. For how many days they take to complete this? 120 pages. So, so you know, one man can take how many? 1 man can write how many pages? 10 pages. So 6 into 10 into number of days they take to complete 120 pages. So that is equivalent to 60 into number of days equal to 120. So the number of days they took to complete the work is 2 days. 2 days is the right answer. Okay, this is your answer. Thank you.